Welcome. Do you want to get very high score in JAM, or do you want to get good grades in your WAEC, NECO, GCE, university exams, and have very good knowledge of computer and programming? Click on this very video and click on the subscribe button so that you can subscribe to our YouTube channel on Tclassified.com. You can as well go to www.jambwaecnecouni.com to register on our website and start taking lectures from our website. We have detailed lectures based on the syllabus for these various exams. You can also download our Android application. Go to your Google Play Store, type in inside the site jambwaecnecouni. You will see our Google application where you can be learning from. If you need special training on how to use computer or how to do programming, if you want to learn how to use Python programming language or Java, or how to develop website, you can place special order by calling our phone number +234-70671-62698. Or if you're in Nigeria, just simply call 070-671-62698. You can as well follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Our address on Facebook and Twitter are jambwaecnecouni.com. So utilize all these and get excellent results in your JAM, WAEC, NECO, GCE, and learn several other things. There are many things on our channel. So click on this video, click on the subscribe button so that you start enjoying all this. Thank you.